Hello, this is Sanya Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. One major drawback of GST has been how it has troubled both individuals and businesses alike. Facing widespread criticism from the opposition of the 2024 budget, now its own senior BJP leader and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has penned a letter to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, urging her to revoke the 18% GST on premiums for life and medical insurance plans. Gadkari, in the letter to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on behalf of the Nagpur LIC Union, stated that the indirect tax of life insurance premiums is equivalent to a tax on life's uncertainties. The Transport Minister said, and I quote, Nagpur Divisional Life Insurance Corporation Employees Union has submitted me a memorandum about the issues pertaining to the insurance industry and sought to take up them with your good self. Main issue raised by the union is related to withdrawal of GST on life and medical insurance premium. Levying GST on life insurance premium amounts to levying tax on the uncertainties of life. The union feels that the person who covers the risk of life's uncertainties to give some protection to the family should not be levied tax on the premium to purchase cover against this risk. Similarly, the 18% GST on medical insurance premium is proving to be a deterrent for the growth of this segment of business, which is socially unnecessary, noted Gadkari in a letter addressed to Sitharaman. Before the introduction of GST in 2017, most insurance products were charged a service tax rate of 15%. However, since the implementation of GST, an 18% tax has been imposed on insurance. Recently in Parliament, AAP leader and Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha stated that while we are paying taxes like those in England, we are receiving services comparable to those in Somalia.
सर पिछले 10 सालों में टैक्स लगा कर सरकार ने एक देश के आम आदमी का खून चूस लिया। अब आप मानिए आप 10 रुपए कमाते हैं, उसमें से 3-3.5 रुपए आप इनकम टैक्स के माध्यम से दे देते हैं, 2 रुपए 2.5 रुपए जीएसटी आपका चूस लेता है, 1.5-2 रुपए आपका कैपिटल गेन टैक्स लगता है, सेस सरचार्जेस 1-1.5 रुपए के लग जाते हैं, तो मात्र 10 रुपए में से 7-8 रुपए तो सरकार के खजाने में चला जाता है। तो आम इंसान को मिलता क्या है, आम आदमी को मिलता क्या है? और सरकार जो हमसे इतना टैक्स लेती है उसके बदले में सरकार हमें देती क्या है? कौन सी ऐसी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सेवाएं, वर्ल्ड क्लास हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट सुविधाएं सरकार बदले में देशवासियों को देती है? मैं ये भी पूछना चाहता हूं। इसीलिए आज मुझे ये कहने में बिल्कुल भी गुरेज नहीं है दैट सर वी इन इंडिया टुडे पे टैक्सेस लाइक इंग्लैंड टू गेट सर्विसेज लाइक सोमालिया।
Nitin Gadkari's letter clearly indicates that there is a lack of consensus among the BJP ministers regarding policies. This incident reveals that there is not unanimous support for Modi's decision within the BJP, showcasing different opinions and potential friction within the party. Our managing editor Sujit Nair had spoken about the possibility of an internal challenge and questions mounting for Mr. Modi. Listen in.
Now let me talk about one more person who I didn't talk about, but one more person who is giving sleepless nights to Mr. Narendra Modi. That's not Rahul Gandhi. That is Mr. Mohan Bhagwat. Or rather, Dr. Mohan Bhagwat. Dr. Mohan Bhagwat is one person who has been talking quite openly against Mr. Narendra Modi, his attitude, the way he has been functioning, his functioning style. He has been speaking very openly. And this speech of, or this attitude, or this communication from the Sarasanga Chalak has given a lot of people within the Bharatiya Janata Party enough guts, power, impetus to actually now say that, okay, he is not the supreme boss. He is not the supreme leader, which they would not even dare look at Mr. Narendra Modi. Now those same people may end up asking a question to Narendra Modi or may end up questioning Narendra Modi's decision. These same people may end up doing that, believe me you.
Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.